Namaskar, welcome to Satya Skills. As a part of series of videos on glory of ancient India, today I would like to introduce you all Hundis, a powerful banking instrument of remote ancient India, today through this video. Hundis, the most ancient still working financial instrument of Indian bankers is Hundi. A testimony of advanced banking practices in remote past in India is the Hundi. Its reference is found in several ancient scriptures that dates back to thousands of years. Hundi is a proof of Indian bankers' perfect banking with much advanced banking techniques and practices. Though British labelled Hundi as equal to bill of exchange, Hundi is much advanced as it performs multiple tasks. Hundi is wider and deeper in scope. What is Hundi? Hundi is an unconditional order in writing by a person directing another to pay a certain sum of money mentioned in the order and to the person named in the order. The term Hundi is derived from Sanskrit word hund, which means to collect. Thus, it is an instrument that acts as a means of credit and fund transfer. It shows that indigenous bankers deal with this instrument that functions like a modern bill of exchange. These are the instruments of finance. Bankers offer credit facility by discounting hundis. What are the features of Hundis? Hundi acts as a means of transfer of funds from one place to the other. It is a credit instrument where one can borrow money. For trade transactions, it can be used as a bill of exchange. Hundi is a primary means of collection of debts. It is a source of liquid capital in international trade or risk associated trade. It acts as a bill and also insurance policy. A distinguishing function which indigenous bankers is discounting of hundis even today. Details of indigenous banking I gave in a separate video which I already uploaded previously. Please look into it if you want to know much about indigenous banking. SBI provides rediscount facility for hundis in India. During British rule, Hundi attracted the attention of two categories of foreigners: the administrators who found it as a great source of tax revenue to them, bankers and economists who were surprised by the advanced state of Indian banking and were shocked to know that it was in practice from remote past. Some Europeans undertook it as their research topic and conducted intense study on Hundi, and the research reports are still available in internet archives. One of the researchers expressed in his report that Hundi, which is much advanced to European bill of exchange, was purposefully neglected by the then rulers and scholars. With the development of modern commercial banking, the usage of Hundi is confined to those areas where the indigenous banks play active role. As indigenous bankers come under unorganized sector in India, thus the Hundi is considered as informal instrument. Therefore, it does not come under Negotiable Instrument Act 1881. I will make another video on negotiable instruments because very interesting topic. Types of hundis. Indigenous bankers accept different types of hundis because of regional language differences. There are several forms in usage and can be classified into some groups in general. First one, darshini. This kind of hundi is payable at sight. This is almost equal to demand bill. Dhani jog. In this hundi, amount is paid to the person who presents it. The holder is eligible to get the payment. Dhani means the owner, that is the holder of the instrument. Sahajog. In this type of hundi, the banker ascertains who is the proper person entitled to the payment. This is freely transferable. Sah implies eligible person. Namjog. This kind of hundi is payable to the person whose name is written in the hundi. This is like bill payable on order, miyadi or muddati. This is like a time bound bill that is payable after certain time period. Firman jog, this hundi is payable to the order on the basis of fixed duration. Joachim hundi, Joachim means risk. This is payable only when goods reach the specified destination. This kind of hundis are popular in international trade and were used by Jagat Seths, that is international bankers, like today's they are equal to today's foreign exchange banks. They are called Jagat Seths. This is a hybrid hundi that combines bill and insurance policy. Jawabi hundi, this is in the form of a recommendation to the banker to pay to a specified person. Hundis can also be payable to the bearer or to the order. Hundis can be finance hundis or trade hundis. Hundis can be discounted and rediscounted any number of times till the date of maturity. The rate at which hundis are discounted is called the bazaar rate. It may vary depending on the demand for funds in the market. Thus, hundi is a perfect banking instrument. If a detailed research is undertaken, a lot more can be known about hundi. That's all in this video. Thank you for watching. God bless you.